Hello, Fright fans. I'm Ben Armstrong from Netherworld Haunted House, and Nelson has asked me to show you some tips to make your house haunted. Today we're going to focus on some lighting tips, some crazy ideas to use light, and we'll throw one bonus tip at the end. First off, gels. We use gels in the theater, in movies, and television. Gels are colored pieces of a very heat-resistant plastic. You can get it at any theatrical store. So imagine all the lights you have uplighting your house. They're there, they're swooping the house. You just get these gels and you put them over those lights. Here's a light, typical white light here, woohoo! And you put a gel on it, all of a sudden, it's a blue. It's all of a sudden very creepy. So you can set the mood however you want. Make it green like a crazy swamp or a radioactive situation. You know, you can make it yellow, so it's like some kind of strange flaming fire, or aqua, maybe for an underwater situation. So the first thing you start with lighting is the color.